Navigating through the main menu is easy. Simply click on one of the menu items. And then on the Return to Life menu link in the upper left-hand corner. You can also click on the top logo to return to the Life menu. Clicking on the top logo from the Life menu will bring you back to the main menu. From the main menu you can change the life that you are on, or create a new life. After you have made all of your life choices from the menu items, you can click on the Complete Month menu item. This will change your points balances and your bank balance. Clicking on the clock will also complete a month. Watch some of our other videos to see what each menu item does, and the choices you can make to improve your quality of life.
Enjoy the journey at QOL.Gold.